Okay. The expressions then to have to do something is something to be on you. So to say I have to stay at home, ta orm fanach sawaya. Okay. So it is on me a letter to write. Sorry, it is on me to stay at home. Means I have to stay at home. To say I had to write a letter, vi orm litur skriv. It was on me a letter to write. Okay, vi orm litur skriv. And to say all you have to do is call me Neil Ort ach gleich achur orm. Literally, it isn't on you, but a call to put on me. So the way you call someone is you put a call on them. Okay?
Like knocking someone off.
And the way you say that all you have to do, or the only thing you have to do, is you say you don't have anything to do but this. So the way you say only in Irish is often to
It's a
say,
negative.
yeah, use a negative. It isn't on you, but
Yeah.
there's nothing on you, but or there's no obligation on you, or you don't have to do anything but to call me. Is the way you say you only have to call me.
And call is call.
Gleich.
Gleich.
So gleich achur orm.
Gleich.
So okay. So you can say, you know, the word curry now. So you say I will call you is curry me. Curry me gleich ort. I will put a call on you. Curry me gleich ort. Okay. Okay. What we're gonna do is pass around bingo stuff, and then
Hey.
get things started up while we play bingo.